Hey, how's it going? So this is for Share Bear. This is the Triptych. It is dry. I did this, I don't know, what, 3 days ago? Miss Share Bear asked for a photo of these hung on the wall. So this is the tiny hallway to my bathroom. And these are replacing some photos that needed to be taken down for reasons. So I thought this would be a good opportunity also to go in for a close-up on these dried paintings. There's some really cool cells that developed. They dried really nicely. That gold has a lot of shimmer. Very cool. There's that one. And I love the way they just kind of drip off the edge there. This one has a lot of fun cells. I moved this one to the middle because I just felt like it looked better there. The light in the hallway is not the greatest, but I think you get the general idea. Nice cells. Fun stuff. And here's the third one. Lots of fun cells on that one too. The colors are really vibrant, so it really kind of brightens up this little space. Kind of cool. And these are the gallery wrap 10 by 10s. So they're a little bit deeper. Yeah, so just a quick little video to show you how they turned out. What they look like hung on the wall. I will probably resin these so they'll have a nice glass-like finish. But that won't be for a while because it's just, my studio's still too chilly. It has to maintain at least 65 degrees. And it does not yet. It still gets a little cooler in the evenings. So these will hang for a while, and when it gets warm enough, I'll take them down and resin them and put them back up. But there you go. Hope you enjoyed this little video. It's hard to get them all in there. All right. Till next time. See you guys.